Okay, the next one I'm gonna be opening is the last one. It's sorry. So it's a color reveal Barbie doll. So it comes with 50 pieces. And then what it comes with is like a little Chelsea doll, little Barbie, and little puppy. And it comes with a sponge, little t-shirt, like, I don't know what that is, some shoes here, and some pants. So let's open it. Okay. So what it came here is this. So I'm gonna pop these out. I didn't know if I opened. Actually, I'm just gonna leave that there for now. Take that out. Wow! Oh my God! Look at that, guys. There's 1, 2. Okay, look, guys. There's fur. Like there's fur carpet, but it's not actually fuzzy. But it's so cool. I'm not gonna take this out yet. So I'm gonna. So it says Slumber Party Fun. I don't know what that means because I didn't see this in any YouTube videos. So I don't know if this is like to open when you have a slumber party, or maybe it's like for something for Christmas. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna open it all at once. So, okay guys, so I arranged it. Some of them, there's some missing numbers, but that's okay. So we're gonna start with this one. So this is number 9. I'm gonna put these to the side. So here's some of the mysteries. So these are what I got. They're so cute. So I'm gonna, because there's no numbers on these ones, so I'm just gonna start opening it. So open this. I will just rip the box. What is this? It's a little dog bed, guys. Oh my God, this is so cute. Okay, gonna put it over here. And especially when I had this dog. It's so cute. Okay, that's so adorable. What? There's some dog bones? These are so tiny. I gotta keep it away from Prince or else he's gonna eat them. Look at that doggy. It's a color changing dog. That's so cute. Okay. So you can put it on the bed. I can't wait to open these all, so these are so cute. Hairbrush. What is that? Is that a flashlight? Yeah, I think it's a flashlight. That's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more better. So the flashlight and then the little hairbrush. That's so cute. Oh, can I pop this out? I want to pop this out. Please don't rip it. Okay, I'm popping this out because it's like a little sleeping mask, and I popped it out. How do I look? I can't see nothing. But this is so cute. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna put it there. What? Do what? Whoa! My Barbie's hair look crazy. Oh. I'm gonna take it out right now, but I'm gonna open it once the Barbie is here. Okay, I'm gonna open it right now. I can't wait. Guys, look at that! It's like pink and some blue. And then it's like, oh my God, I love this. And it's very soft too. And it's color changing. So maybe we can put it in water after. I'm so excited. Guys, could sleep on it. That's so adorable. I love it. Okay, what is this? What? What is this? There's some stickers? What? I don't know what this is for. Maybe it's for the Barbie doll or something. Who knows? I'm gonna put that there and rip it. No. No one saw that. This is really hard to pop it actually. Yay! I got it! Does this look cute on me? That. Oh, it's so cute. How do I look? Whoa. It's so cute. Wait! It's for the cups that I got. That is so cute. So I got this little orange little tray like that. Then guys, look at this. It's little it's little extension for maybe Chelsea. This is gonna look like mustard and ketchup. Mustard and ketchup. That is so cute. It's like a little ponytail. That is so cute, and it's really soft too. I'm gonna put it with the hair. That is really cute. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna open the box first. Whoa! What? This is a very long one. This is a very long sleeping bag. Okay, where's the other one? Oh, here it is. Look, it's so this one's for Chelsea, and I think this one's for Barbie. Look how compared that is. That's like massive compared to the other one. I thought this was for Barbie. Actually, how would that fit Barbie? That is so tiny. So I guess this fits Barbie. Okay, I'm gonna put that here. Guys, look, it's a little dice. I don't know how to make dices, but yeah. I'm gonna do it after. Okay, now the last mystery box. Let's see. So there's nothing here. What if, because there's like, it looks like gold, so what if there's gold? It's not heavy, but if I find gold, I'm gonna be rich! Okay, I'm gonna open it. What? It's a color changing. Wait, I'm gonna open it now. I wanna see the doll. Oh, so guys, this is not what the doll looks like. This is not what the doll looks like. Just, there's a hole there so the hair can go in that little ponytail. But this is not what the doll looks like. It's not silver. So you have to put water and it will color change. So I'm so excited to do that at the end. I'm gonna put it here. Yeah. Okay guys, so I think I know what this is. So you start here. Okay, so pretend I land on pink, right? So I roll it and I land pink. So this is the first pink doll. But if I roll a green, this is the one. So if I land on green, it's a mystery, right? So it's a green mystery. Now I get it, so now you get to open it. Then whoever gets here first gets to open the Barbie. And there's a gold bar over here. So whoever lands on this, they must get this. That's so cool. I love this game. Maybe I could play with something else, like just for fun. That's cool. So yeah. So guys, this is all I got. So before I get the water, I'm going to show you what I got. So here it is, and you have to fill it up to here. So yeah. So this is what I got. There's a lot of things. There was 50 pieces. That's a lot. So now we're gonna reveal these two, Chelsea and Barbie. So I'm so excited. So I have the warm water over here and this. So you're supposed to fill it up to there, like to that line. So I'm gonna hold it like this because I'm scared it's gonna tip over. So, and it's pretty after. So yeah, of my Barbie dolls. So this is how they look. So if you guys want us to do a video that you want us to do, just comment down below. So it could be like opening toys, doing gymnastics, doing gymnastic like poses. So hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! Love you all! Hello guys, thank you for watching my video and supporting my channel. Don't forget, my premiere is every Saturday at 9:45 p.m. Filipino time, peak of my next video where I accepted the challenge of little Mayang to eat sardines, and I also challenged myself and eat spicy noodles. Little Mayang challenged me to eat sardines with sauce, so I'm going to be eating this too. And like tomato sauce, but see you next Saturday. Bye. God bless. Love you all. Thank you for watching.